Drop over here.
Alright.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. This is day 5 of Costa Rica, where I went on a waterfall tour. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
It's cold, it's quite chilly.
This next part that you're about to see is probably one of the most interesting parts of this whole trip and this whole episode. And it was really weird because we went into a waterfall cave that had a tree in it. I don't know how the tree got in there, but there was a tree in it. And then we were instructed by the guide to climb up on the tree and jump off the tree into the water in the cave. And the water in the cave was like, it was like 12 feet deep right below, so it was really dark water and it was kind of creepy, but it was really fun. So I'm just kind of explaining what you guys are seeing right now.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
So it turns out that the waterfall that we were just at is actually on the same land as a giant tilapia farm. And the tilapia farm is completely organic, so they don't give their fish any sort of like unnatural artificial things. They don't try to fatten their fish up or anything like that. And no, I don't really know that much about fish farming because obviously I'm just not very interested in it. But apparently a problem that occurs often in tilapia farms is that they try to farm other types of fish in the same pools as a tilapia. So if you have a smaller tilapia and you have a really big salmon in the same sort of pool, the salmon will often beat the tilapia when feeding time comes. So if the farmer drops in food to the pond, the salmon will often get there before the tilapia. So the tilapia ends up eating the feces of the salmon as their food, which is kind of disgusting. So they do their farm at this place. They have it so that each size of tilapia is separated out so that that doesn't happen. And yeah, I just thought that was pretty interesting because I never knew that was a problem in fish farms. So the restaurant that we're eating at here is actually a farm-to-table restaurant from the tilapia farm. So the fish you see on my plate is directly out of the pools that we just saw with the tilapia in them. And the tilapia was really, really fresh.
Give me some water, I can smell it too.
Oh, that's so cool.
What is... That's sick.
Cavern in there. thank you guys for watching this video. And if you guys want to check out the other 4 Costa Rica episodes, they're in the playlist, which this one is in, called Costa Rica. And anyway, yeah, this video was so fun to make. All these videos are really fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode and the whole series. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. So yeah, bye guys.